Fish on. Reel it in.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
What do you got? Oh, what do you got? You got a little baby flounder.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
You got him? Pull him in. Pull him in.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Get him in there. There you go. Come on, you gotta pull him in. Pull him in. Put him in the boat. There you go. There you go. Now, very cool. All right. Hey, that was fantastic. Here, show me. Show me the fish. Ready? One. Turn it. Turn it. Yeah, we're gonna go after this. Here, hold it.
Can I keep
Oh,
this one?
no, we can't keep him. He's too small.